Let's take a look at how the permissions work. So I'm going to do a coffee search for IMCE. So the permissions and configuration are set via a configuration profile. So we have admin profile and member profile. Let's take a look at the admin profile. I'll click edit. This allows us to restrict what kind of files we can see, our maximum file size upload, and total quota of data that we've uploaded to the server. We can set the maximum image dimensions. We can set what happens when we upload an image that has the same name as another image. And this is set to keep the existing file and rename the new one. We can set here which folders the user can browse. A dot means that we can browse everything in the files directory. But like I mentioned earlier, we can be more specific and say, hey, we only want you to be able to browse this particular folder. Another thing that we can prevent is accidental deletion. So I'm going to uncheck all permissions here. And I'm going to check everything here except the abilities to delete files and delete subfolders. So this will at least prevent us from accidentally deleting an image. I'll click Save. I'm going to go back to the File Manager settings here. And here we can set which roles use which profile. So administrators use the admin profile. And for now, nobody else is allowed to use IMCE. So if we want to expose this to other contributors, we would need to change this to allow at least certain roles to access files.